Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a DIY with my niece Sarah. Sarah, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
So she's a little camera shy, but it's okay. She'll get over it. So we have these patches. You wanna explain these patches? What are these all about?
They're the four houses from the Harry Potter books: Gryffindor, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, and Hufflepuff.
Hufflepuff. And you want to open one of them just to let them know, have an idea of what are these patches about and how we're going to patch them? These are actually Velcro patches. They had the iron-on patches, but they weren't that great. So what we're going to do is take one of the back side. You want to hold this? And we're going to be using a product called E6000. This glue is actually very good for fabric patching and everything else that you want to patch. And we're gonna begin shortly. Tell them where you want these patches. You want them on the arms? You want them in the front of the hoodie?
I'm putting them on the sleeves of my sweater.
So we're gonna be putting them on the sleeves on her sweater, and let's begin. All right, guys, we're back. So I have unboxed the E6000 fabric glue. Now my assistant Sarah is gonna help me glue the first Velcro to the sleeve, one of the sleeves on the hoodie. Sarah, you want to open that up and start the process? Just put some on your finger. Yeah. Yep, that's it. That's it. Yeah. Put that down and start along, along the way. Yeah. That's okay. Just take your time and do it. So we actually applied one already on the other side, and now we're applying this patch here on the right arm. So we already applied the glue on the back of the Velcro, so we can patch this on right here on top of it. Like that, just like that. And what you want to do, guys, is get something heavy, maybe something like a gallon of water bottle or something that you can press on. Just leave it there for like about 15 minutes to get the thing rested completely, and then we'll try the hoodie on and we'll actually put the patches onto the Velcro so to see how it looks. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we already put the Velcro with the E6000 fabric glue. We glued it to one of my niece's hoodies. Now we're about to put the hook and loop patch right onto both of the sleeves. So which one goes where, Sarah? You wanna do the honors? That goes there, and this one will go here. And what are the names for these two?
Gryffindor and Ravenclaw.
So Gryffindor and Ravenclaw. So these are so let's try it on now. How it looks. So guys, while she's putting this on, I will recommend this E6000 product from Amazon. It's a pretty good glue. I've used it in the past, but I ran out. I just ordered this just for this project for my niece. She insisted that I do this project with her. So this is how it looks. So left sleeve she has Gryffindor, that's what she wanted, and on the right one she wanted Ravenclaw. So yeah, guys, so if you guys wanna, if this video helps you guys to get the product from Amazon, you can do this DIY anytime, and it will do the same effect with you guys as well. And yes, and the other two patches, she said she wanted to put it on one of her book bags. So we'll do that later on. But now you guys have the idea on how to patch a hook and loop patches with the glue on the fabric glue. So from us, thank you for watching this video. If this video helps you guys, please give it a thumbs up. And big thanks to my niece Sarah. Sarah, would you want to say something?
Thank you for watching.
And she said thank you for watching. A little camera shy, but it's okay. She's getting used to the camera. But again, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and leave a comment if you have. See you on the next video.